Hey everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and I wanted to share with everyone some of my packages that I got. I'm going to start with, let's do this, Christina at an auction, and I have Alan's painting, very pretty. Right here, isn't that beautiful? From there, I went ahead and opened them so that it'd be easier to show you. And also Carrie had an auction. And of course she sent me little notes. Isn't this adorable? This is her little card. And she sent me magnets made out of paint skins. Look at that. Those are adorable. See the magnets on the back? Oops. Beautiful. Good idea to use for paint skins. Pretty colors. And she sent me this beautiful 5x7. And she stamped it on the back. Isn't that pretty? And let's see. I believe, yeah. Also this one is resined, and she signed it and stamped it on the back. Isn't that pretty? Love the colors, gorgeous. And then Monica, actually, I bid on these two, and Monica decided she was gonna get them for me. Monica Tiamoni Arts. Aren't those beautiful? So pretty. Those are reds and golds, pretty cells. I love the colors. And Carrie stamped them and signed them. So pretty. I think I won this one. Yeah, I won this one. So this is pretty too. And Brittany had an auction with Everyday Art by Brittany Gunter. And try not to show the addresses. And this is the beautiful painting that I got from her, and she signed. She calls it Eruption, which is a great name for it. And she signed that. Isn't that pretty? Love that one. Yeah, I love them all. Love it. And she sent me a beautiful card. And let's see. I know I got something coming from Bridget, but that's probably going to be a couple weeks. From her auction. So now I wanted to share you with you. I got some stencils from AliExpress. I still got, I think, 3 coming, but this is what I got so far. These little birch trees. This adorable, it's trees with the mama deer and baby deer and daddy deer. Isn't that pretty? Be great around Christmas time. Nice big stencils these are. And this one with different butterflies and a hummingbird and flowers. Isn't that pretty? And then this one with butterflies. Anyway, between all of the stencils I got, which is these 3, that's 3, this little one, and I got another little one, and then 2 other ones. I only paid $2.93, including shipping. It did have a coupon for $3 off, so it still would have only been $5.93. And I still get 3 more coming. So I just wanted to share this little bit here of things that I got. And I thank everybody. So stay tuned for more. I'm going to be doing an auction soon. I'm actually varnishing tonight and getting different ones ready. I might be resining some too. I've got these. I'm not sure if we're going to resin them. Those are pretty. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I've got probably about 25 to 30 that I'll auction off. Probably next week sometime. So stay tuned for that too. And for our weekly challenge with Pouring in Harmony. Alright everybody. Everybody have a great night. Thank you for joining me and for subscribing. God bless, be safe, and be happy. See you soon. Bye-bye.